Welcome to the installation video of the combination knife holder cutting board drawer. We will cover both face frame and frameless installation. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a combination knife holder cutting board, Bloom soft close slides, Bloom release triggers, Bloom rear brackets for face frame cabinets only, figure 8 brackets, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, and an instruction sheet. Place your existing drawer face down and use a pencil to trace along the bottom corners. Mark on the back of the drawer front. This will serve as a guide when attaching the new combination drawer. You can now detach the drawer front and discard your old drawer. Next, install the figure 8 brackets to the combination drawer. Place over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Now, flip the drawer over and place the Bloom triggers flush against the front corners of the drawer. Mark the 4 hole locations with a pencil. Pre-drill with the 3/32 inch bit. Place the triggers over the holes and secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Position the new combination drawer along the pencil marks of your existing drawer front. Mark the center holes of the figure 8 brackets. Before pre-drilling, it is recommended you add tape to your bit as a reference to prevent you from drilling all the way through the drawer front. Pre-drill the 2 holes. Reposition the combination drawer over the drawer front. Secure using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. For frameless applications, skip this step. For face frame applications, slide the rear Bloom brackets into the back slots of the Bloom slides. Next, place the slide flush with the cabinet opening and mark the front 2 holes. Make sure the slide is level and parallel with the side wall of the cabinet. Extend the rear bracket so it is flush with the back wall of the cabinet. Mark holes in all 4 corners. Pre-drill your marks using your 3/32 inch bit. Attach the rear bracket to the back of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Connect the back of the slide to the rear bracket and position the front over the pre-drilled holes in the face frame. Secure using the same screws. Repeat on the other side. For frameless applications, place slides 1/8 inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. The slides mount directly to the side of the cabinet. You will not need the rear brackets. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Ensure the Bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the Bloom slides. The corners can be raised or lowered up to 1/8 of an inch by sliding the vertical adjustment lever forward or backward. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.